Guys, today's YouTube video is going to be awesome because we're doing another fidget spinner verse. If you can subscribe and like, that'll be very helpful. Anyway, besides that, let's get right into the video. I've got two new realistic fidget spinners that we're going to be using today. So we've got this one. I don't know what it's called now, and this one. But I know they're both oil slick. So yeah. That's what we're going to be using for today's YouTube video. So, it spins over 6 minutes. So yeah, and this one we think goes like for 5 minutes, yeah. Over 5 minutes. And yeah, this one kind of makes a noise. This one doesn't make that much a noise, but they both make at least a noise. Anyway, so those are the fidget spinners that we're going to be using for today. And here are the objects. We got a wine glass and 2 eggs. And we got a brand new iPhone 4 that we are going to be trying to smash. I don't think it will smash. Yeah, it probably won't smash because it's hardcover. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. So what we're going to be smashing first is the wine glass because this might take long to smash. Anyway, let's go with the wine glass. So first is this YouTube video. I mean this fidget spinner. So we're gonna try to smash it from the side. Wait, I hope it doesn't drop and smash. Right, anyway, I'm gonna move. 3, 2, 1. That was first attempt. Didn't smash. Second attempt with the little fidget spinner. Nothing at all. We're actually going to drop this fidget spinner onto the wine glass. So, in 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, wait. We're not going to drop it because that would just mainly break the fidget spinner. Anyway, let's just do it. Oh, that's it. One thing, don't try this near sand. Your fidget spinner is going to get sand in it. Anyways, that did smash. Anyway, gotta clean up the mess. Oh shit, there's heaps of sand in there. Fuck! I just dropped it. What the fuck am I thinking? Just never get sand in it. If you do, use, what is it called? WT-40 or use oil to get it, or just, I don't care. Because this is my good fidget spinner. Anyway, remove this glass. It got all over. Yeah, literally smashed it. Anyway, for our second attempt will be those 2 eggs. Let's go. Mary, what the fuck? What the hell, guys? Look. Wait, I think I know what's going on. Sometimes if that doesn't work, you'll most likely swap inside. So I was on this side, but wait, I was on this side, but now I'm going to swap to this side. So if that does work, does happen, try to swap sides. And I'll see if it works. It should. can't see. Just swap sides if it doesn't work, because that mainly happens if you don't do it. Anyway, second attempt with the egg. Oh my fucking gosh! I'm gonna live this. Bro, I'm dropping this one like fuck. Still spins very well, and it lands in the sand all the time. Anyway, second attempt. Oh, so we got 3 hits. Let's see, we got 1 hit there, second hit there, and third hit was there. So let's just finish it. Oh, so that made a bigger dent, but we just won. So right there. It's so hard to do it in here. Right there. So we're gonna smash from there. Oh, so we got a couple of hits. I'm just gonna hold it like I did just then. This fidget spinner, I reckon, is gonna break it. Anyway, let's go. Oh, so we got the slime over it. Yeah, the glass is still there. Anyway, I'm gonna crush it with my hand. Fidget spinner gets like wrecked. But this is the one. Cool. Oh, look at that. I just ruined this one. Oh. Oh. Alright, what do I do with this? Just gonna put it to the side. This is messy. I'm still gonna go with it. Anyway, this phone is ruined. I'm just gonna put this here. I need to wipe it. Oh fuck. Yeah, no, I won't wash my hands like I did last time because my brother fucked this thing up. Anyway, I don't know how to wash it though. This is a new jumper. I'm not washing it on there. I'm just gonna run to the tap. Don't worry. Stay. See. We'll go get something to eat. Alright guys, I should have brought the towel, but I'm just going to use this. Anyway, we got heaps of egg slime, as you can see right there, and heaps of egg smashes. Anyway, where's my, oh yeah, I'm just going to smash this one, not use my fidget spinner. I'm going to smash it with this metal thing. Wait, I'm going to do this somewhere else so it doesn't get all over my fidget spinners. Right, this is going to go everywhere. Wait! What the hell? Bro, I didn't even see the yolk. Bro, dude. Where did all the yolk go? The yolk's missing. Fuck. Anyway, I'm gonna clean it after. This is a really messy video. Anyways, the iPhone. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna break it with this. And I just got sent away. Anyway, first is it. Wait, it doesn't go fast anymore. There you go. I had enough of this shit. It's not gonna work. Fidget spinners are weak. Not that weak, but strong enough.
By them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up.
Hit that because that'll be fun. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you do, like and subscribe, and peace out.